We welcome all of you to our English learning channel. After knowing the English alphabets in short form, we shall now focus on
English articles. Come, enjoy, learn, read, write, and pronunciate.
Hello friends, this is Neil. Hope you have seen our all sorts from letter A to letter Z. If not, please go through the same for easy learning. In this episode 3, we shall learn the application of article D with vowel sounds.
Hello friends, myself is Ruby. Let us learn the use of appropriate articles with vowels and consonants.
Articles are short monosyllabic words. We have already learned the application of indefinite articles a and an. Now we shall learn the application of definite article D that is used before the nouns. Use of definite article D is to identify a noun that denotes a particular class of person or item. Definite article D is pronounced as the before a vowel sound. It is pronounced as the before a consonant sound. All pronunciations as the airplane, the elephant, the igloo. The owl, the umbrella, the astronaut. Next, episode 4 is on article D, pronunciation as the.
Learn with us English language, nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs.
Learn with us English language, pronunciation, spelling, grammar, application.
Please continue to enjoy, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you once again for visiting the channel.